Sermon number 22. About those who accused him of Osman's killing. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Beware. Shaitan has certainly started instigating his forces and has collected his army in order that oppression may reach its extreme ends and wrong may come back to its position. By Allah, they have not put a correct blame on me, nor have they done justice between me and themselves. They are demanding of me a right which they have abandoned, and a blood that they have themselves shed. If I were a partner with them in it, then they too have their share of it. But if they did it without me, they alone have to face the consequences. Their biggest argument against me is, really, against themselves. They are suckling from a mother who is already dry, and bringing into life innovation that is already dead. How disappointing is this challenger to battle? Who is this challenger and for what is he being responded to? I am happy that the reasoning of Allah has been exhausted before them and he knows all about them. If they refuse to obey, I will offer them the edge of the sword, which is enough a curer of wrong and supporter of right. It is strange they send me word to proceed to them for spear fighting and to keep ready for fighting with swords. May the mourning women mourn over them. I have ever been so that I was never frightened by fighting nor threatened by clashing. I enjoy full certainty of belief from my Allah and have no doubt in my faith.